Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to show you that how can you disable high contrast settings on your Windows PC. So if accidentally you have enabled high contrast settings in your Windows PC, then what steps you can take to disable that? So the first thing we need to do is open up the settings app on your Windows PC. So for that you can go to the search bar and type in settings. So the settings app would open up. Then we need to go to personalization. In personalization, make sure you are in background. Once you get there, then in the related settings, you will find out this option that says high contrast settings. So just click on that. And there is this very first option. So if high contrast is enabled in your PC, then you will see that this option turn on high contrast is toggled to on. And if it is the case, just toggle it to off. And your high contrast theme should have been turned off. And that's it for this video. Once you have selected this high contrast, once you have disabled high contrast, you can click on apply and that should have been applied. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.